Let's start. Check this out. If you're looking for a classic car that's ready to hit the road without any issues, this 1956 Dodge Coronet Royal is it. This beauty runs, drives, and stops perfectly, no problems at all. It even made a trip to Pennsylvania recently without a hitch. Owned by just 3 people, this car comes with all the original paperwork dating back to 1956, including the title, window sticker, and more. The 315 Poly engine and push-button 3-speed transmission were rebuilt 8,000 miles ago, and there's zero rust. Everything works flawlessly, and the clean title is in hand. This is a rare chance to own a well-maintained classic. Alright, classic car lovers, here's something special, a 1961 Volvo PV544. These are hard to find in such great shape. The interior and exterior are in excellent condition, though the car starts but doesn't stay running. This is a perfect project for someone who wants to bring this classic back to life. Priced to sell, so don't miss out on this gem. Wow, take a look at this stunning 1956 Lincoln Premier Coupe, completely original. With only 94,090 original miles, the engine, transmission, and even the AC are all factory original. Nothing has been modified or restored, making this a true piece of American history. If you're a collector or just love classic cars, this is the one for you. Feel free to reach out to the seller with any questions. Check out this awesome blend of classic and modern, a 1940 Plymouth 2 DR sedan street rod. Built on a 1972 Pontiac Lemons chassis, it's powered by a Pontiac 354V engine with a Holley 600 CFM carb and a brand new Flowmaster exhaust system. It's got modern touches like vintage AC, power windows, power seats, and even a backup camera. The paint and body are in great shape, making it a head-turner on the road. This car is ready to cruise and show off. Hey Mustang fans, here's a 1966 Ford Mustang with the iconic inline 6 engine. This car has been updated with a sleek black TMI interior with red stitching, a new AC system, and a Bluetooth audio setup. The transmission and rear differential have been serviced, and it's got new drum brakes and axle bearings for reliable performance. The paint is in fair condition with some rust spots, but this is a solid project car for anyone looking to restore a classic. It even comes with extras like a floor jack and stands. Don't miss this one. folks, here's a gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang with only 85,000 original miles. This car is in amazing shape inside and out. The paint shines like new, and there's no rust anywhere. The transmission was just rebuilt, and it's got new tires, a new battery, a new alternator, and a brand new cooling and fuel system. It's turnkey ready to drive. The seller can even help with nationwide shipping. If you've been dreaming of a classic Mustang, this is your chance.